Do you own a skid steer? Have you ever wanted one of those flashy amber and white lights for the construction yards or running down the road or just for awareness? Does your skid steer have that bar across the back boom that blocks your rear scene lights? This may be a choice for you, option. Plug that into the beacon button on the Kubota. Full-time ambers. When the beacon buttons hit, synchronized lights, and then wired into the rear scene lights. Some adjustable lights can go in and out, up and down. We'll see how it works. Stay tuned.